In this video, I'll guide you through how to check your Steam account login activity. Checking your Steam login history is a good way to see when and where your account has been accessed. If you're concerned that someone else may have signed into your account, Steam provides a way to review your recent login activity. To get started, open Steam and sign into your account. At the top of the Steam window, click on Help, then select Steam Support. On the Steam Support page, scroll down and click on My Account. Next, scroll to the bottom of the page and select Data related to your Steam account. This page contains information about your Steam account, including your recent login history. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Recent Login History. Open this section to view your recent account logins. Here, you can review the login activity and check whether everything looks familiar. If all of the entries match your own activity, then there's nothing else you need to do. However, if you notice a login that you don't recognize or believe someone else may have accessed your account, it's a good idea to secure it as soon as possible by changing your Steam password and reviewing your account security settings. And that's all there is to it. Checking your recent login history only takes a few moments and can help you keep your Steam account secure.